Hello, my name is Cody Kaler, and this is my introduction video for AEP A58, Data and Assessment, Module 1. A little bit about me. Like I said, my name is Cody Kaler. I am a Kansas State University graduate. I am entering into my third year as a teacher at Goddard High School, which is also my third year in the profession. Outside of teaching, I coach football, boys basketball, and golf. Currently at Goddard High School, I teach psychology, world history, and international affairs. A little bit about Goddard High School. It is located in Goddard, Kansas, which is just west of Wichita. We currently have an enrollment somewhere around 850, which last year put us in a 5A classification in Kansas. The demographics about Goddard High School, race and ethnicity, 80% white, 11% Hispanic, around 3% African American, and 7% listed as other. Now, the socioeconomic status, we have roughly 30% economically disadvantaged at Goddard High School. Our average ACT score is roughly around 21.2. We are doing a lot, as you'll see here in a little bit, to try to improve those scores targeted at the ACT for our students. In 2015, which is the most recent data I could find, we had a graduation rate of 91.8% and a post-secondary success rate of 54%. My critical reflection on GHS, kind of how they make decisions as it pertains to data and how that affects instruction. Kind of starts with our administrative team at the central office with our principals and our superintendents. Then it comes down to our principal and with the two assistant principals that we have, in which they then include the counselors. We have a leadership team, which is made up of the department head from each department in our school, and then it works its way down to the teachers themselves. From that, we also have data analyzing and department level brainstorming, oftentimes at professional development days, where we look at ACT Aspire scores, which are tests that our freshmen and sophomore take to kind of predict their ACT scores and show us where they could have improvement in each individual category of ACT. We find this very valuable as we keep going through it and learning more about the test itself. With analyzing those numbers and scores, we would then report those as a department to the principal and how we think we can improve our instruction in specific areas. My personal experience using data to drive instruction, I do look at the ACT Aspire scores, which breaks down reading and writing, especially for me as a social studies teacher. That plays a huge role. I also look at past performances in their U.S. history class if they took it before me, or their freshman English if they have not yet taken U.S. history. I also look at grade level guides for reading levels and where we should be. And I also work to differentiate instruction to meet student survey responses that I give out at the beginning of the school year. My plan to improve, I want to take the information gathered from this course that I learned to try to improve the way I use data and assessments to hopefully improve my instruction. I'm going to continually check the student performance in their English courses because I feel like that correlates very well to my class. I want to continually check student scores from ACT Aspire, especially their reading and writing, and see in areas in which I need to improve and maybe areas that are their strengths. And then also continually improve differentiation to meet the needs of my students each year in all of my classes. Thank you. I look forward to a great semester.